But especially tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday, smooth sailing with these temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, actually a few degrees below average for this time of year. And enjoy it while it lasts, because once we get towards Friday and Saturday, we do have a little bit of an uptick.
You can hear the howling of the wind. It's continuing to pick up, and it's also caused quite a bit of damage around the area. In fact, looking behind me, you can see this tree that was split in half with some of those storms that rolled through the cells, pushing through not only the Syracuse area, but also Manlius, Cazenovia, and even Tully's getting a little bit of this. So this is continuing to push northeast. We do have dry time after this, but some of these storms, as you saw, are coming down quite heavily, low visibility, and even some hail has been indicated, dealing with a west wind. So areas directly east of the lake will start to pick up on a few inches of snowfall. A few localized spots might probably felt the difference outside today compared to the last couple of days. Still sitting in the 80s, but nice and refreshing, and that's going to be the case at least for a little while. And it's a beautiful day to get outside and enjoy the outdoors. I'm here with Steve Grimaldi. He's showing me all of the ropes on paddleboarding here. So I'm going to give it a try, trying to stand up here. All right. Okay.
I feel like I'm unfortunately matching your graphic right now with the
Yeah,
rain coming in. I'm sorry, everyone.
Perfectly. We are seeing lots of green on the radar this morning. However, we do need the rain. We're actually a little bit below average when we look at the rainfall starting since the start of fall. So we'll pick up a little bit of some much needed rain. We're now pushing through the first round of showers out this morning. So Syracuse is now starting to see a little bit of dry time. You can see pushing east, a little bit of this darker green. This is where things are becoming a little bit more moderate and steady rainfall. So from Redfield through Camden towards Cazenovia, that's where we're seeing the steadiest of the rain at this point. This is going to push eastward. And we have some dry time, and then this is going to be the next round of some showers and even possibly some thunderstorms working in later this morning. So looking at the big picture, once we get past this second round of showers, we actually have a lot of dry time to follow. High pressure is going to start to push on through, and this is going to bring us really a pleasant day for us by Wednesday. We'll already start to see some improvements as we get towards the afternoon, but this morning, overall going to be a little bit of a wet start. Now by 7 a.m. I think we'll be in between the two rounds. So depending on how fast the second round moves, I think many of us will actually see some dry time by 7, 8 o'clock. So following this next line of showers, this will start to push through by 9, 10 o'clock, and then we'll still see a few lingering showers as this pushes eastward. Into the afternoon, though, really starting to see things become drier and brighter the further west you go. So we will start to see a gradual clearing of the skies by late afternoon into the early evening. A few breaks of sunshine developing, a little bit breezy at times, but overall things are going to finish very nicely for us on this Tuesday. But starting out on the wet side, 60 degrees and falling throughout the day. We'll see a brief warm up by the time we're getting to Wednesday and Thursday. Those temperatures climbing to the mid 60s by Wednesday, mid 70s by Thursday. Most of the day Thursday should remain dry. We'll see some late day showers and storms developing, and this will push into the overnight into Friday, bringing us quite the change as we close out the work week with those temperatures really cooling down and becoming quite wet by Friday, and then we'll see some improvements towards the weekend. So I actually had a really unique opportunity to go to Florida Tech, which is not too far from Cape Canaveral. I spent many days on the beach looking at the launches and tried to see as many as I possibly could. It was a really cool experience, and I will say conditions yesterday, it turned out like they stayed nice and quiet just in time for the launch, but about the time the launch was going off, we got the rain here. Fortunately, it was a quick downpour, and then it did move on out of central New York. Now, as far as what we can expect for today, I think there's a chance for a few pop-up showers. I think it's going to be very minimal, if any, and you can see we're already feeling that cooler air. 12 degrees cooler than yesterday, and we already were feeling that cooler air yesterday. We topped out at 71, fairly seasonable within a couple degrees. Today, I don't even think we're going to reach 60 degrees. I'm thinking upper 50s, so definitely going to need an extra layer if you are headed outdoors today. As far as conditions right now, quiet. We are seeing a few spotty sprinkles towards the Finger Lakes in western New York. I really think this is going to be very limited if we do see a few pop-up showers, but Something to keep in mind if you do have outdoor plans, but don't cancel them. I think it's going to be very brief if we do see a spotty shower or a sprinkle. And I really think most of us will remain dry and we'll see a good amount of sunshine. It is going to be a little bit cooler today, and it's also going to be a little bit breezy at times. So even though we are going to see those temperatures sitting in the upper 50s, it's going to feel quite a bit cooler when we factor in that northwest breeze. Now, as far as what we can expect for our next weather maker, Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday. That'll be the next chance for some showers and storms. And then I think that's also going to bring a little bit warmer weather for us as well. Warm front's going to push on through. So we've got a couple of days that are going to be on the chilly side. That is including today, tomorrow, and Tuesday. But then once that warm front moves through, bringing those showers and storms, it's going to bring near normal to even above average temperatures as we reach the end of the week. So timing it out, what we can expect throughout the day today. Later this morning, I think we'll still see a mix of some sun and clouds, maybe a little extra cloud cover towards Cortland County, Ithaca, as we are pushing south. Notice there are a few spotty sprinkles still hanging around. Again, it's going to be very hit or miss. Most of us will be nice and dry. Starting to see a little bit more sunshine as we push on through the afternoon hours. It is going to be a nice day to get outdoors, get some fresh air. But again, definitely going to need a few extra layers and factor in that breeze. But have the sunglasses, as I do think we'll see a good amount of sunshine. And as we approach the evening hours, notice we do start to see a few showers begin to pop up towards Jefferson, Lewis County. I think it's going to be very limited. And then overnight, I think a few passing showers, but most of us should remain nice and quiet. For tomorrow, temperature-wise, I think we'll be sitting a couple degrees warmer than today. Chance for a spotty sprinkle, mostly quiet. And then Tuesday, that warm front moves through, bringing some showers and some warmer weather as we get towards midweek, and that's going to stick with us the rest of the week.